Now going to unbox my Acer Predator Helios 500. This is Core i9 processor with 8 GB RAM. Dito. Ayan ang specs niya. 17.3 Full HD IPS 144 Hz LED LCD with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070. Okay, now I'm going to unbox it. Yeah.
Ba't ka bumili niyan?
This is for gaming. Shit.
Hindi ka naman nag-gaming. Bayat na yata.
Oh, shit. This is a Predator. Shit. Okay. Oh. Shit. What is this? Oh. Shit. What's this? It's a manual. Okay. This is Helios Predator manual. Okay. And this is the certificate. Okay. Now I'm going to check this one. Okay. Holy shit! Oops.
Bigat yan.
Huge. Oh my G. Oh shit. Wow. Oh.
Mana kayo managkas.
Big. Oh. Wow. Oh.
Turn it on.
Okay, I will turn it on.
Anong laman ng box? Walang charger?
Meron. Siguro ito pa. Meron pa. Oh. This is huge. No. Oh, you have a very big charger. My dear.
Ilang ano niyan, memory?
Oh,
Ilan yung RAM?
very big. Okay, ang RAM nito 16 GB, tapos yung graphics yeah, it's a very big computer. Now architect Bob is very happy. No? See? Helios 500, no? This potato, see? It's 1080p, taking you to new reality. Yeah, I'll get the measurement. I will show you how big it is.
Yan. Core i9, 8 Gen, NVIDIA.
I see? Oh, seriously, it's big. See? 17 inches.
Dapat pa kanyang diagonal mo kanito yung mag-measure.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Oh?
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your
Hey?
PC ready for all you plan to do.
I'm going to set
Use
up
your
the
voice with the
windows.
keyboard along the way, and
Oh,
if you'd like me to
talking,
stay quiet,
you
just
see?
select the little microphone
Imagine.
icon towards the bottom of your screen.
I don't understand
If you
you.
need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator.
Meron dito.
Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Okay.
Your
Ariante yun eh.
region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Yes.
Alam ko na.
Alime. Ariante. Yes. What? He
Your
knows.
keyboard is set to the US. Want to stick with that?
Yes. Yes.
Do
Oh,
you also type with another keyboard layout?
skip. Skip. Oh, you see?
Now let's get you connected to a network.
Okay,
That way
connect.
You can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible.
Okay,
How
connect.
about the first one on the list?
Zane.
Want to use that one?
Yes, connect.
Halwa yun. Zane home.
No. Saying home. This one. Yeah. I will connect manual.
Now
Huh?
type your credentials.
Okay, I will type.
Built-in numpad din. Puta, makanamlak yun.
Namlak nga, oh. Oh! Okay. Ang galing na, no? Sound, ano?
Recognition.
Mission accomplished.
Huh?
They're all linked up.
Okay, next. Next. Uy.
Now we have some important setup to do.
Yeah. What is this? It's amazing, no? No. Core i9. Show. Core i9. GTX 1070. Come. Here. GTX 1070. 8GB graphics. Overclocking. 144
Now let's see
Hz.
what's new from Windows.
Okay. Oh, it's setting up Windows, ha? Jadid.
Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no Windows.
Accept. Why? Accept. Oh, I will. Nantay mo anong nano yung Windows. Oh, this Predator is amazing.
Type your email address or phone number.
Okay
then
na.
follow the
Stop ko na.
instructions to
Hindi,
sign in.
makabay ni.
I'll catch up with you once that's
I-upload
done.
ka na akong kay YouTube. So, I need to type.
Windows account.
Okay.
Baka message yun.
Bob. Come. Okay. Okay, next. Okay. Password. This Windows account. Oh, I forgot. How?
Eh, wari makakonect ng iPhone mo.
I don't know. Wait. Oh? Why?
Puta, maka-caps lock yun.
No. I don't know because I have so many passwords. Oh. It works.
Want to set up a pin?
Pin. Create pin. Okay. Create pin. Eh, huwag mong pakita yung pin. Okay. Okay. Yup! Taran.
Ba't mo binili yan? Di ka
These are
naman
the settings
naglalaro.
Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and
Mabilis ba
review
yan?
them and select accept when you're ready.
Accept.
Accept. Accept.
Accept.
Accept.
Accept.
You don't recognize my
So-
voice.
Oksop.
Judy.
Matay may kami tatawa itang airplane ta.
Based on the activities you choose here, you will get a personalized experience
Skip.
as you set up your device.
Skip first. I'm in a hurry.
We can work some magic so you can use your Android phone from your PC.
Hindi man
Calls,
Android.
Send text messages, use your mobile
Remind me
apps,
later.
and more. If
Okay.
this sounds useful, we'll send you a reminder to finish setting up the Your Phone app.
Remind later.
Want to automatically save files and photos to OneDrive for some added peace of mind?
Only save files to this PC. Next. Ta-ta-ta-tang! Nice.
Your PC comes with a free 1-month trial of Microsoft 365 Family. Should we get it ready for you to use?
No thanks. I will pay.
Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
Not now, not now.
Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such.
Oh, why do you know my name? Okay. I will put which region I will put?
Philippines.
Ah, yes. I will put Philippines.
P. Down.
Enter. Ah. Okay, Philippines. Maybe I will put Bahrain, it will become Arabic. Send me offers. I will like to join Acer my share. Next. Dun, dun, dun.
Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking
Oh.
forward to helping out.
Oh? Bye! Now setting up the windows. Yeah, imagine it's a very big computer. See?
Nagagamog itong meto mong laptop.
Binigay ko kay Jeric. Dinala niya sa Canada.
Uy, itong laptop ko.
Ano pinagawa ko?
Itong kaya, Acer. Ay, Lenovo.
Nasa office. Don't turn your PC. This might take several minutes. Hi guys, ito pala yung ano nito, specification. Pakita ko lang sa inyo para may idea kayo.
Ken.
Ito yung specs niya. Oh. Close up mo.
Anong ano niyan? Anong indication? Anong use?
Ito na. Ang pakita ko. Ang OS niya, Windows 10 Home. Processor, Intel Core i9 8950HK 2.9 GHz. LCD 17.3 inches. Full HD IPS 144 Hz LED LCD.
Yarin eh.
Graphics NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 with 8 GB GDDR5 dedicated VRAM. Memory 16 GB DDR4 2666 MHz memory. Storage 512 PCIe NVMe SSD plus 2 TB hard disk drive. Wireless LAN Bluetooth 802.11 AC plus BT. Okay, camera HD with 2 mic. Battery 4-cell lithium ion battery. Software 1 month Office. Oh, Predator. Okay, now, finish setting Windows. Okay, may I see? Get started. Ah! Ta-da-da! Ta-da-da-da! Oh! Nice! Complete setup. Okay, confirm. I don't know really what's this. Oh, welcome Microsoft Edge. It's time to expect more. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, next. Scroll for next. Productivity. Never mind, kaliwali. I will. Okay, new. Shopping, accessibility tools. Oh, download Microsoft. Oh, kaliwali. Now,
Pwede mo yung kayo nitang HK iPhone. Kaya ba't nung nanong matingking laptop?
now I'm going to install my softwares. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Oh, you see, it synchronized my OneDrive already here. Oh, you see?
Oh.
No? You see? It's very intelligent. Okay, you see.
Okay.
I have already this one. Oh. See? It takes them, no? In my Google Drive, OneDrive, see? Downloading from OneDrive. Oh, it's very intelligent. Oh, it's very heavy. I will get this this weighing scale. Wait, I will make this one how much kilogram, no? How much?
How much?
May papadal.
How much?
Okay.
How much? May balagya pa kanya.
Yan. Yan. Dito lang.
Lalayan may mabalag yun. Oo,
Yeah.
mabalag yun.
Ilang
Lalayan mong kilo. 3
Ayun.
kilos maybe.
4 kilos.
3 kilos.
4. Yan o.
3! Okay.
Ay, tignan mo. Ito palang ano.
Okay, bye.
Wait. Ito palang charger na. Bigat o.
Pilan niyang oras yung charger na kanya.
Ay. Bigat no. Charger lang.
Bakal body.
Pwede yung benta ng bakal bote.
Okay, guys.
Sandali. Guys. Thank you for watching. For this unboxing of my
Predator.
Acer Predator Helios 500. I'm very much excited.
I will
Imagine.
update you after 1 month usage.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you. Acer.